We are staying at Amari Johor Bahru. So a quick room tour for you guys. There's a king bed, a work desk, oh it's raining, not much of a view, but you can see a bit of the pool. I'll snap it again tomorrow morning. So here you've got your kettles and the cups, and also coffee and tea. As you enter the hotel room, there is the toilet on the left. So it's just a basic toilet, shower area, and you have got the amenities here: dental kit, vanity set, shower cap, sanitary bag, there's a body bar and also a body lotion. And in the shower area, this is how it looks like. And that's it for the room tour. One thing about the room though is that it is so dimly lit. Like, it doesn't seem so on camera, but in real life it's really dim. On the 8th floor of the hotel, you have the pool. This is how it looks like. And next to the pool, you have a very cool gym. So the pool does have beach chairs that you can lounge at. At the pool area, you also get the skyline of JB, or at least one part of JB. So the good thing about the hotel is that it is very near to the CIQ, or the custom between Malaysia-Singapore border, and that's actually the building where you can, take the train or the bus to Singapore. Good morning. We are having breakfast at the hotel today. The place for breakfast, Amaya Cafe. This is the view of the room. In the morning, we are facing the pool and the gym. Bye room. You were great. See you again next time. is a fantastically hot day today. Gonna be a fun day out in Singapore. This is the famous Hyapju Bakery, famous for their banana cake. So anyone who comes to Johor as a tourist will usually stop by here to buy the banana cake, most of the time Singaporeans. So if you do come to Johor, do come to Hyapju Bakery and try the banana cake. But it is quite a walk if you're staying in Amari Hotel. It's like a 10 to 15 minutes walk in hot and humid weather, so I don't recommend walking. Take a Grab instead.